Hey everyone! If you're looking for the best coupons for 5CloudHost.com, you are in the right place. Today, I'll show you how you can apply to different coupons. The first one gives you a 15% discount, and the second offers a 10% discount. Alright, first, head over to 5CloudHost.com. Once you're here, click on the Pricing tab at the top. This will take you to the different hosting plans. All 5CloudHost.com plans are for 5 years. Here, you can see the features of each plan. The Cloud Business Plan is the most popular, allowing you to host up to 10 domains. Additionally, you can switch to a server in Europe or keep it in Dallas, Texas, USA. Remember, the coupons only work for business and enterprise plans. To apply the coupon, simply click Order Now. Once here, you can add a new domain or use an existing domain. For this example, we will use an existing domain. Once the domain is added, click on the Use button. At checkout, enter the coupon shown on the screen in the box labeled Enter Promo Code. Then, click on Validate Code. And that's it. As you can see, the code has been applied correctly and the price has been reduced by 15%. Now, let's do the example with the Enterprise plan. Again, we add our domain and click on Use. Then, we paste our code. And that's it. The code has been successfully applied. The price has been reduced to $150, which equals $30 per year. A great discount you shouldn't miss. But if the previous coupon stops working, we have another 10% discount coupon for you. First, we'll start with the example using the business plan. Just follow the same steps as before, but enter a different code. The code you need to use is money. Once you apply the code, you'll see the 10% discount reflected in your total purchase. Finally, we will apply the 10% discount coupon on the Enterprise plan. We add the code again. And that's it. The coupon has been applied correctly for this plan. And there you have it. It's super easy. Don't forget to use the code on the screen for a 15% discount. These discounts won't last forever, so take advantage of them while they are available. I've left a link to 5CloudHost.com in the description below, so you can take advantage of the discount right now. Visit smartcouponfinder.club for more amazing deals and promo codes. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a great deal. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.